I like giving back to the people watching. So Spike would start giving away loads of these items and much more. So to win these prizes, all you need to do is the following. Thank you for your time. And by the way, I do giveaways on these channels as well, so check them out. Well, hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove acne in Photoshop. Well, first of all, before we start, please don't feel insecure because of your acne and try to remove it on Photoshop. It's not the case. It's okay. We all might get acne and it's not the worst thing in the world, okay? So, what you need to do, this video is for learning purposes only. Okay, what you need to do is choose this one. Okay, if this happens to you, you should press on the layer because I'm not choosing it and unlock the background of the layer. Choose the following and you can decrease the bit of it and do such. Well, as I said, don't feel insecure about your face, but this is for learning purposes. Like this. Well, you see, disappeared. Wow. So if you guys took something from it, please support by liking and subscribing. And I will see you. Check the following channel. I do loads of tutorials and I've made loads of Photoshop tutorials. So if you want to check it out, and I've said so. See you next time.